the people. In my gas school. Ricardo, tell the people them which school they go. Tell them. You not tell them which school they go? Tell them. What's your school name?
Clonclaty Primary.
Oh, I think you just said I go to Clonclaty High School. I mean, so watch out when you get so big. And what's your teacher name?
Miss Johns.
Miss Johns. And you learn? Eh?
Yeah.
People them want to know if you learn in a Ricardo. You say you learn?
Yeah.
Alright, my boy. Alright, my boy. People of my son this I go to school. I follow him go to school this morning. You know, normally him taxi come pick him up, but this morning taxi not work, so I have to follow him go straight to school. Yeah. See taxi stand up there, sir. And Ricardo. That ugly girl that she named Foodie. I'm sure the people in my face. Charlie Smith she go, Charlie Smith. She ugly. Watch her now. Watch her head. Your head dry like. People she name Foodie. The reason why she name so she love name. She love her belly. Watch her now. That girl yeah. Yeah, big girl up. She name Peter Gay. Sexy no blood clot. Wife material in the people she married. But the boy go the out. Bumbo-clad people, look on the tickers over there, so. Me zoom up on her there. Aye, hello, miss. Good body. Eh. Yeah, people, me there upon the black sea where I go on all the vibes, you know? Yeah, man, you know, say our ends this. Yeah, man, me and Jeremy and there go on easy, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so there I go on all the vibes. Yeah, people, early morning this. Yeah. See it there? Early morning in a town. Yeah. That is it. Alright.
Suicidal. Yeah, run down for man, but boy on the other side, them have to take with themselves, brother. I shot them sting, you know, man.
Yeah, with the paintball gun them.
Oops.
Yes, sexiness.
Right, that's the second morning, Miss Jackie. Like the song that they look out.
Morning, Miss Jackie.
Blind man singing, man. Like,
Continental girl, take it and
get him pretty, so brother.
Yeah, man, that's my friend. Down Africa there.
See my father have him house down there, down Ghana. Sees like everybody have them place more time and ready them take for themselves. Nowadays it's like they over there. You know? People okay, go and see they think man photogenic, but I'm a good money in real life.
Yeah.
Deal with business. My food and him for the no glibban down, we're doing sitting there. The only post picture of our status there, bro.
You know, I'm going to post a picture or a video on my status. Jamila must have need to go up and post my vlog down on my status. Now I'm going to post a link to my page on my status. Continental girl, I text it and I text it. And if you want me, people them see place. Yeah, people are early morning, you know. So, you know, we just there go and hold a vibe. Who forgot work, gone to work. Who forgot school, gone to school. You know what I mean? That is it. People, we are going to Stephanie yard. As morning light, the one Jamil and Boom Boom find people yard. Like them not live nowhere. Like water in them bed. People, we are going to Stephanie yard. See, me and Jeremy. Hey. Where's the one Jamil gone with the door key? She gone down her people yard and lock up for her house, gone down her yard, and you see her man want to go in. You know, look how much. Everybody look how much car park right there, so. As morning light to know there people yard. No, for true. You not live nowhere. You Miss Jamil, Jeremian want the key. I tell you Tony idiot. Jeremian want the key because you lock the door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop it now. Stop it, you have to stop it. Stop it.
Me. People, this is Stephanie. As morning come, them reach a Stephanie yard. As morning come, boomers, watch her head. Oh, people tell boomers happy birthday. Tell her in the comment section. Yeah, where you say I present, I present by a present people up and boom boom present. She a go live, you know. She a go live, you know.
This is what him live for.
Watch him, lovers leave. Boss a kiss. Mwah, mwah. Mwah. Honey, I love you. Yeah, people, tell Boom Boom happy birthday in the comment section. See this, she get her present. Yeah, me and her are going to drink look more. People, stay tuned to the vlog. We are going to drink look more and go on with a crocus bag of things. Yeah, watch it. Keep on neck. Things going last night. Things going last night. You keep them on neck. Right, there's some friend right through. Things are going for you, though. Big things are going for your body. When I get physical, you know your body ready. I'm going left for now. Me. Oh, you're brighty. Yeah, people, so what there, you know, early morning, you don't know. We just are going all a vibe, you know. You see it. Who forgot work, gone to work. Who forgot school, gone to school. You see it. Over there, you go and all a vibe. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, you know. I saw we do it in a town, yeah. You see it. I saw we do it down a yard, yeah. Yeah, man, people. Well, I know. As clat, as I talk about that, go check out that song up on YouTube. UG and who sing it again? UG and Was. UG and Was. This is how we do it down a yard, yeah. Yeah, me not catch the words of the song yet, but me are telling the people the song, but they are fuck. No joke. Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, man, so early morning out there, you go and use the same way. I don't know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. People, here we go on weekend. Yeah, this coming Sunday, we are going to dip on the river. Yeah, you know, we are going to cook some food. Eh?
It just start cheap like Ivan.
It's a fresh you get time for that. It's a cheap. One of the moms, them. Alright, tell you. Yeah. Yes, some people, here we are say weekend we are going to river and we are going to cook some curry fish and white rice. You know, Jamaican don't really eat fish, so we have to get chicken for she. Yeah. I don't know how we are going to do the chicken. It might be French fry the chicken, or it might be home style the chicken, or country style. You know what Jamaica is, you know our dish. Is it? Yeah, that is it. Yeah, man, so we are going to river. We are going to river Sunday. I not tell you no which river yet. Just watch a vlog. I want to see which river we are going Sunday. But we are going to river Sunday. And you know. Whoa! Who is that? The One Kian. Yeah, you know, that is it. You know, with us there are going easy, you know. Yeah, man, that is it, man. That is it, people. Sick la. But you have to hold the, but you have to go hold the phone, you know. You have to go hold the phone. People, Jesus, I'm a long time. I don't do them something here. Whoop. Bumbo cloud. Take your time. Boop. Acha. I wait for go to push start. People, the last time him give me a bike for ride, I put it in a 1 gear, the front wheel lift up. I put it in a 2 gear, the front wheel lift up again. I put the bike in a 3 gear and the front wheel lift up again. Like I kill him or kill me. And he never give me a caution when say I saw the bike be powerful, when say it can lift in a any gear. Yeah. All the camera people them to say. Yeah. Yeah, people. Oh, it's in a 1 gear already. But we see one pattern.
The clock. That's why I don't read the clock.
Oh, the clock. Don't read the clock. Ah. Come in, Panama. Don't stop it, video.
No stop it.
Yeah?
You no stop.
Yeah. People outside. Get Steamy, buddy. That is Steamy. The bad dancer. That is Steamy right there, people. Ay, 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 hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, oh, book the lad. Go outside.
Go everything. I go let my phone.
I tell people if I walk in the phone. See that? See that? People, he would have go well left it and come back on the street.
People are left the Benz door open.
Yeah, people, we are going to step on it. Hey, hey, hey.
Boom boom birthday today now.
Boom boom birthday today. I tell the people themselves for comment. in the comment section and tell her happy birthday. Eh? I Uno would have come fuck around.
Birthday girl. Nice girl.
We are come back home.
We are come
So
back
come park the
home.
bike.
Yo.
Come park, what me can?
There man, mama.
Hey, I say open on them head. I say, hey, I see bumper. Hold on there.
You want to make it lock off, you know?
Like this guy, so me started to move off in a 2 a while ago.
That move lazy.
Yeah.
Don't make it lock off, so. But a bad. Just remember some calling somebody. Just remember, you know. Yo, what they move.
Yeah, people, so you don't know. Outside gravity. Eh. Boop. Round there. Round there. Round. Aye. Take your time. Round there. Eh? Say, I'm going to link one girl.
When I make it Bible fast here a while ago. Oh, that me. I'm not even have no credit. I'm not sure just to let the key
Me tell the people them so we are go River Sunday.
Yeah, of course. We go River Sunday. Me I come out naked.
Bombo.
Me I come out
Bombo.
naked.
Aye. Aye. Pitney. Yeah. See them there? Bad tough. Bad dancer them. Eh? No, me not have no problem. I have to go in my yard and come back. I may have to go by. Watcha? Pitney. Oh, you go pan camping. See that backpack. Yeah, boss. I go pan tour, you know. People remember say them a baby lad dancer, you know. Yeah man, Pitney. What you say? That is it right there. Me I buy some weed, man. Don't worry, no say. Me I buy some weed and fall back. That is it. Yeah man. Alright, the code. Pitney. Pitney, what you say? Good? Alright, that is it. That is it. Yeah, watch out. Okay. Send him and send me up. Send him and send me up. Watch out. Watch out. Tell him to give me a little money, then give me the big money. So that means more things may have to go get.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is Chester.
Why?
They are going to shop them, send me out.
Yeah, go on, take your time.
The core, yeah.
Ricky, what
You
kind
come
of
back.
cigarette them there?
What kind of cigarette you
Where
buy?
you buy them from?
Better you buy fuckery.
No, the green cigarette you no smoke.
Yeah, but yeah, alright, we smoke the green sunny. A tradition, Tamara said tradition.
So, say no smoke the same way like the green sunny.
No way.
And don't send me out again. Do me a big one. Don't send me out. But I never you send me out, boom boom. A German send me out. Jamaican man.
We buy boom.
A German boom.
We buy water.
Yeah, ask me be a question on the video.
How are you?
Yes, so people, Jamila set up boom boom present because Jamila set up boom boom present because she don't want to hold the phone in her hand. She want to put it in a ring light, like she have ring light body. Hey me, oh, cause me just said I go say mine make she get a black eye. Jeremy and there, Jeremy and the Bobby.
Come set up my birthday gift. We have more gifts I get later again.
One we are go drink and junk.
That's Christ. And that's what you want to do?
What that?
Enough drinking and junking.
What the ring light look big.
Enough drinking and junking are going. You don't have no manual?
No, it have galley wall. No, me not think that forgot that so. No, take off that. Hold on, no, that not forgot that so. Put the hold this boom boom hold it.
God, this is like it's screen of this.
Why not pause it, Ricky?
No, don't pause it. It's not plug like no whole line. Oh, the Type-C charger. Let me know when that plug it not support.
Yeah.
Oh, it come with
Them a video me, not to them birthday, them a video me.
No man, it knock off.
Oh? I'm not sure yet, but I know enough drinking are going. Of course, you can forward. I'm not business. I never asked any commentators in the stand. Any commentators in the stand? The place quiet.
Pitney way say, you know look.
The place quiet, commentator. Commentator.
YouTube no want to see your ugly boy, your face full of greater like. I think him face can greater coat now. But yeah, either. TikTok. TikTok, you there wind up your little body. So, how the foot them work? Well, I know easy no remember so my ring light is not like this. Oh, see the people. People, you see that? We're going to put the phone in the ring light. Lazy Jamil no one hold it.
Yeah, I'm tired. Sure. I'm tired.
Lazy Jamil no one hold it. And our man, people are Jamaican phone a record.
I'm tired.
And Jamil no one hold it.
So which part is good and Ricky?
Whoa.
Tally? Huh?
It have to go lower though, because we're lower. Or that can.
What more?
Hey.
Oh.
Hey,
It's magnetic.
This is bad oh.
This is Bado Bamputi. Puti.
This is bad oh.
That you see, it you see.
Hey.
Eh?
Hold on people hold on, may I turn it, may I fix it tonight.
Take time.
Alright. Jesus Christ.
Take time, oh. I get you all I have to time, oh.
Who that people? Who that people? People who that? People who that? She just awake. Jamil cat shit on the bench. It's your cat.
It's not my cat. You know my cat, no Chrystal. It's not my cat.
Then how for cat?
Because in there I tell people and go my cat. It's not my cat.
Hey, my friend, where you gone? Hey, we just awake. Which go
beat. None of the ones where you feel up in history. She want to when the dick sabi. She tell me she do a one beat up if it's a treat. The boy used to this oh watch a beat. Now we mad and him a do a coffee. Him smoke nicotine, drink coffee. When he find out of my youth, time did think of him.
That's so like Jackie.
Chrystal! Chrystal! How you do? You buy the goods. The goods! Right there, so. Buy the goods, my friend. Right there, so the goods are for buy. The goods are for buy. No man, enough goods here, boy. Medicine at Tamara shop. Good body Tamara. Good body Tamara, cho. Good body. Chrystal, how much goods you buy? Let me see. Show them the goods. Make them see the goods. Cook, live and direct. Be a cook. Bumper roll. Bumper roll. If I was see you come back and you not scratch your head, we say you get the goods. Scratch your head when you're stressing a friend will know your style. You get the money? You get the money? Yeah. Oh, yeah, go. Where you go? I carry man? Corner shop. Enough corner shop there. Karima there. Yes, Karima. The next corner shop. Good, but watch your bumper here. Watch the bumper here. The bumper here, the real bumper here.
Two red one. We just said 2 red cars. You said 2 cars. Chrystal.
You want to see when she have some little shots, you know, some little shots. So the ends here. Drugs this, you know, drugs. Drugs this. Try know that. Drugs. What the rest of drugs there? Where drugs them they buy? Drugs pan drugs, you know, drugs. Drugs, we love it. I eat this.
Yeah,
right there so.
Yeah, them
right there
smoke like
so.
them stressful.
Cheese.
No, me say people, I have to go into that one. I have to go into that one here. People, I have to go into that one here. Live and direct. Watch ya. Watch ya, people. Jesus Christ. That one that live and direct, people. People. Jesus Christ. This man turned the pro box in a poor box. Oh God. It a ball. It a ball. Watch it. People. Look here. It a ball. The pro box. Watch it. Business have gone. Watch it. Boom. Watch it. Jesus Christ, people. Everything there. What you say? Everything.
Check me out. Just check me out.
Yeah.
I'm here around the show.
One Mr. G. Watch ya.
We have everything in there. Everything. We don't have to talk because we can see.
Yeah.
Everything. Call me.
Call him.
885-4767. Just call me.
That is it.
Watch out. We're not done. Watch your front.
Bumbo.
Watch your front. Watch your front. Watch your front.
Everything there.
Yeah, man. Send it off and call me, man.
Yeah, man.
Everything.
Everything there, people. Watch it. Watch your wheel. Watch your wheel. Well, Lord, you know, I remember, I tell you, he might come back with this empty later. I not ask Christ. This empty later when the boss reach in back. Yeah. Remember, the pro box load till the buck. And this is empty later when him come in. Yeah, man, you know who's that? Mr. G himself in person. Yes, man. Yeah, so people, we there are going easy upon the block, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. They are going with a vibe. You know what I mean? Early morning, this is how we do it.
Bang.
Yeah. Drip the drip. Let it rain. People watch my girl, them a clean up them black. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, people, this is Chrystal. Sexy as fuck, watch it. Jesus Christ, got the key. Clot. This is how we do it down a yard, yeah. Eh? Watch it, watch it, watch it. Oi. Hey, run them file, run them file. You better know that. People, hey. Good girl, I go get married, people.
Good pussy. Good pussy. Good pussy.
No.
Respect my friend.
Remember, sir.
Cheese and peas and... Hey, me and you have same last name, girl.
It grew to this. From a little and I grow. This is
Good
good
you say yes.
pump do that. Good pump.
She say yes.
I hear that friendship do that.
Me and you have same last name, good girl.
You try video so you don't cry. So move.
No, I'm not video nothing. The private.
We don't like that.
That is the reason why. No, that is the reason why this privacy.
You should be
No, privacy.
You go down on your knee?
Bad man not go pan in. I say pray, me not pray you. Me not bow, come me not pray.
We don't like that. You see that?
Jamil, get ready, watch out.
I got 2 engagement rings with you.
Are you not married to none of them?
No, I wish I German.
So 2 times I'm engaged, you're not married yet.
Upgrade one.
Daddy, come here.
Yeah, my friend.
Humbuklat.
No. Even when
No, this affidavit on the vlog. She get engaged on her birthday.
Listen to me, man. I tell us you to do like excitement. Yeah, you have to remember that.
Why are you dazzling? It's dazzling.
Sister girl get engaged. Bomba clean.
I mean, smudge it.
You see, look for
And every more
you go do the thing, brother.
Mr. and Mrs. to be fiance.
No, that.
This is fiance. This is where's it? Manners.
Let's try, come here.
Word.
Take the blood clot in my mouth and now I don't like this for Venom. Venom should have called her. We should have called her one side and say.
And go on the knee.
Yeah. If you want to go on the knee, let's go so.
But she just come push up her face. She push up her face in the camera and just stop the focus.
The couple of the century.
Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Venom. To be fiance. Fiance. Acha. Hey. Fiance. So hold on with the drinks, drinking the celebration for you go on because my friend turned fiance. Fiance. Hey, me don't want the wedding take too long to come, you know. The wedding take too long to come. I don't want this wedding take too long to come.